Hey coin collectors, it's DC on the Big D Coin Channel. It's a 1974 Eisenhower Dollar coin. You see it says Liberty at the top, In God We Trust down here under Dwight D. Eisenhower's chin in 1974 at the bottom. If you're looking for the mint mark, it'll be right there between the 7 and the 4. And that's a Denver mint mark there. Here there's no mint mark, so that's a Philadelphia coin. They also made these at the San Francisco Mint in a copper, nickel-clad copper, and a silver, both in a proof silver and in a regular strike silver. So if you're looking for these coins, you're going to have to get at least 5 different versions if you want to get the whole set. And that's not counting the mistake coins they made at Denver, where they made 25 to 30 silver Denver coins. Now, in 1974, the silver coins were 40% silver, but still they're worth quite a bit of money just in silver value alone. The Eisenhower Dollar first came out in 1971. It was a dual honor coin. It was to honor Dwight D. Eisenhower, our president, who served from 1953 to 1961, and it was also to honor the United States landing on the moon. So we have two sides that have pretty different reasons for being. 1974 was the 4th year they made the Eisenhower Dollar, and you can see it says Liberty at the top here. And this is one of those coins where Liberty does not touch the hair of Eisenhower like it does with Kennedy or with some of the old coins. Under his chin, you see it says, In God We Trust down here, 1974. And then if you tip it up, right like that, you see an F and a G down here, and that's for Frank Gasparo, the engraver. This is a copper-nickel blend on the outside of these coins. The inside is 100% copper, and when we get to the back, we see that same copper-nickel blend on the back. 1974 at the Philadelphia Mint, they made $27.4 million. Mint State 65 from the Philadelphia Mint goes for about $36. Mint State 67 from the Philadelphia Mint goes for $18,500. There are only about 5,400 known coins that have been graded at Mint State 65 or better from the Philadelphia Mint. At the Denver Mint, they made $46 million. Mint State 65, $35. Mint State 67 plus, $6,500. Why $18,000 for the Philadelphia and $6,500 for the Denver? Because at Philadelphia they've only found 6 of the Mint State 67 coins. At Denver they found over 10 of the Mint State 67 plus coins. They also made some mistakes, and it's unclear how this happened, but some silver planchets made their way to Denver from San Francisco, and 25 to 30 that we know of silver Eisenhower dollars from Denver. And then when we get to the back, we see this is a double honor coin. It was made to honor Dwight D. Eisenhower, our president, and it was made to honor the United States landing on the moon. You see it says United States of America at the top, E pluribus unum, an eagle landing on the moon carrying an olive branch, and you can see the craters of the moon down below here. It says $1 here, and then way back here you see the engraver's initials, and it's FG on this one too. Frank Gasparo did the front and the back of these coins. If we count around the outside, you'll see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 stars for the original 13 colonies. This is a huge coin, 22.7 grams. Compare that to about 6 grams for a quarter, and 38.5 millimeters in diameter. We don't have any of the San Franciscos here, but at the San Francisco Mint, they made it in a copper-nickel-clad copper, and they made 2.6 million of those. And at a proof 70 deep cameo from the San Francisco Mint, it's worth $9,250 in the copper-nickel cladding. For the silver coins, they made 1.9 million regular strike coins. And so what that means is they're not proof coins at all. They were called the blue envelope coins, or the blue Ikes. The blue Ikes were sold in cellophane inside a blue envelope for $3 each. Those blue regular strike coins at a Mint State 69, and you call them Mint States because the regular strikes aren't proofs, the Mint State 69s go for $11,500 from San Francisco. They also sold the San Francisco in a proof version, the so-called brown Ikes. And the brown Ikes came in a brown box for $10 each, And if you can get one of those, they're all going to be in great shape, probably all between proof 66 and proof 70. At a proof 70 deep cameo, the brown box Ikes go for about $750. They also put out one other pretty big coin in 1974, at least it seems big now, and that's a Kennedy half dollar. So the Kennedy half dollars that came out in 1974 look like this, and you can see that they are dwarfed by the Eisenhower dollars. Again, this is a Philadelphia. Gilroy Roberts was the engraver of the Kennedy half, and when you look at the coins, you see that Liberty doesn't touch Eisenhower's hair or head at all, but Kennedy's head kind of touches the Liberty at the B, the E, and the R. The R and the E are actually a little bit obscured by Kennedy's hair. We get to the back of the Kennedy half, and of course it's that eagle. Same eagle that's landing on the moon, but this time the eagle has the olive branch and has the arrows. And when we get way back in here, you'll see why I brought this coin out. And that's because Frank Gasparo was the engraver of the back of this coin also. So in 74, a Frank Gasparo engraving was on the back of the Kennedy half, on the back of the Eisenhower half, and on the front of the Eisenhower half. If you're looking for these coins out there, they're pretty inexpensive to buy at this rate. You can probably get one of these for under $5. If you're looking for a really good one, you won't get it in the mint sets because they didn't put them in the mint sets, but you could get one in the San Francisco Mint proof sets or the regular San Francisco sets where they made 2.6 million of them. Good luck looking for coins out there. From the Big D Coin Channel, we'd love to have you subscribe to the Big D Coin Channel and leave any comments you have in the comments section.